Good morning students. Today we will continue with our chapter 3, that is nothing but rational numbers. We were already seeing about the rational numbers, we were introducing about it and was finding about the equivalent rational number, then how to represent it on the number line, then how to find the standard form, and at the last we saw how to compare the rational numbers using different methods. Today we will see how to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers, that is between ரெண்டு ரேஷ்னல் நம்பருக்கு நடுவில் என்ன ரேஷ்னல் நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஃபைண்ட். ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 0 and 3 இஸ் தேர். ரெண்டு நம்பர் இருக்குது, டூ ஹோல் நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது. இப்போ 0க்கும் 3க்கும் எத்தனை ஹோல் நம்பர் நடுவில் இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிப்போம்ல, தட் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் லைக் தட் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஃபைண்ட் ஃபார் தி ரேஷ்னல் நம்பர்ஸ். We will continue with this topic. We will just see the example. See here, find two rational numbers between -2/5 and -1/4. Yes, it is a rational number because denominator, it is in the lowest form and denominator is positive. Okay, first check whether it is a rational number. Now you see, for 5 and 4 take LCM. If you take LCM, that is nothing but 20. Now then make it to the bring it to the common denominator. Okay, take then if you do common denominator, that's 5 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 2 -8. The same way here also. Now we have got a number. Now you see, between -8/20 and -5/20, இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் நடுவில் நம்பர் லைனில் என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள். 5க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன இருக்கும், 6, then 7. So -7/20 -6/20 are the numbers between these two rational numbers. Understood students? நம்பர் லைன் போடுங்க, இங்கே 0 போடுங்க. Here -5, here -8. Okay, -5க்கும் -8க்கும் நடுவில் என்ன இருக்குது, -6 -7. Okay, that is this with the same denominator. So understood here? See here we have the same denominator. So -6 and -7 are the two rational numbers between -8 and -5. This is how you have to found. We will see the next example. See here students, see the next example. They are asking find all the rational numbers between -5/20 and 3/8 with the numerator and has integer and denominator with 40. They are asking the denominator should be 40. So you need to find the LCM of 20 and 8. 20 and 8 is nothing but they have itself said that it is 40. Okay, so to get 40, what you need to do, -5/20. Now to get it 40, what you have to do, into 4. Here also into 4. Understood students? So what you are getting, now find it out. So what you need to do students, -5/20. So to get 40, you need to multiply into 2. So the answer is -10/40. The same way for 3/8. 3/8, how many times you will multiply? How many times 40? 5s are. So that is equal to 15/40. That is okay, -15/40. Now we found the denominator with the common denominator 40 and the numerator is any integer. Integer means it should have both positive as well as negative number. Now we are getting a common denominator. What they are saying, between these two numbers, whatever the number we are having, you need to, whatever the rational numbers, you are going to find it out. Okay, you are having a 0 here, 1 positive and 1 negative. So 15/40 is a positive number, so it will come here. So 15/40. Now -10/40 in the number line, it will come in the left side, it will come here. Now you are going to find between this -10 and -15, whatever the numbers, you are going to find that. Okay students, try to find out that. Here 0, positive means positive side, negative means negative side. Okay, 15/40, here -10/40. So what and all here will be there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 15. Here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5, like that with the same denominator 14. See here, they have given the numbers. See here, 0, here 14/50, after that 15/40, here -9/10, here after that -10/40. So we have got all the rational numbers between these numbers. So if you have any doubt, just draw the number line and see, you will be very clear. Positive means positive side, negative means negative side. Understood students? We will see another examples also. See here, see the next example. Find 10 rational numbers between -4 and -4/15 and 1/10. If the denominator should be same, then only you can find the rational, that is different types of rational numbers. Okay, so it is different. denominator should be positive and it should be same, okay, but it is not same, so you are going to take LCM. If you take LCM for 15 and 10, it is 30. Okay, so whatever you are multiplying with this, whatever you are multiplying in the numerator, same way you have to multiply in the denominator, numerator also, students. Okay, whatever you are multiplying here, you need to multiply with the 15 into 2, then minus 4 into 2. Okay, so you are getting minus 8 by 30. Same way for 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means what you will get? 10 into 30. 10 into 3 and minus 1 into. Now the same way you have got the same denominator. After getting the same denominator, draw the number line and see here 3 by 30 means it is positive 3 by 30. Minus 8 by 30 means minus 8 by 30 negative. So whatever the number in between, try to write that as a in between the rational number. So 0 after 1, 1, 2. Then after 0, minus 1, minus 2 till minus 8. Okay. So you are getting 10 rational numbers here. Okay, students. Now for rational numbers, we can extend also. See, we can find more rational numbers between two given rational numbers. How means, if you multiply a number by any other number, the number will be increased, the number will become greater. So see here I am having minus 4 by 15 and 1 by 10. To make it bigger, I am multiplying with some number and getting a greater number. Now you can have more rational numbers between them. Okay, in this way also you can find. What I have already said, you can multiply or divide. Okay, this is another way, but just see the question and then perform. This is another way, but always you cannot do that. Do this method. Okay, students. See this practice zone 4. Try to solve this. Find the rational numbers between minus 6 by 7 and 8 by 9. Take a common denominator, take LCM and make it common, and then draw the number line and find out the number. Okay, students. Solve all the 3 sums in the practice zone 4. That's all about the students. Thank you, students.